Running on the best treadmill changes not only your body structure, but also improves your mind, mood, and attitude. Treadmills feature a moving belt as a running surface and come in both manual and motorized models that work for all fitness levels. You can do simple exercises on a treadmill, like walking, jogging, and running. A significant advantage of having a treadmill at home is that you can use it whenever you want, instead of having to go to the gym. It lets you have fitness equipment right at home. So if you want the one, here's some of the best in the business. Check out the video description below for more information on the listed products, and find the links to buy them. The Soul Fitness F80. Boasting a massive 9-inch LCD to easily track your workout progress and select from one of a 10 preset plans, the Soul F80 treadmill provides you with various cardio exercises to keep you in shape when training outdoors. Its solid steel frame supports and stabilizes while extending durability. Also, it features a hydraulic folding deck for quick and easy storage. Its integrated cooling fan aids in regulating body temperature. This treadmill offers a powerful performance of 3.5 continuous horsepower that adjusts speeds and resistance with ease. It provides a speed range from 5 to 12 miles per hour for quality control. It features cushion flex deck and shock absorption to alleviate joint stress. However, it allows users the freedom to transfer workout data by Bluetooth to their smart device. The Lifespan TR1 200i. This treadmill has a 2.5 HP continuous duty motor that carries your workouts from first stride to the home stretch. It's robotically welded. The all-steel frame is precision engineered to stimulate real-world conditions over miles of use. This deck is supported by 6 compression shock absorbers that provide safe, responsive cushioning for your knees, back, and joints. Also, it's equipped with Easy Fold technology that utilizes a hydraulic shock to assist in folding and unfolding the treadmill. Plus, the soft drop system supports the total weight of the treadmill as it unfolds for safe, convenient use. Moreover, it comes with 21 easy-to-use exercise programs that are designed by exercise physiologists to expedite your progress. You can insert a USB drive in the built-in port on your console, and your results are automatically saved every 20 seconds. On the other hand, it offers the IntelliStep feature, which is the most accurate step-counting feature available. It records every stride you take, that's perfect for walking competitions and daily goal management. The Lifespan TR3000i. This has a powerful 2.75 HP continuous duty motor that melds marathon endurance with wind spirit speeds. Its frame's crafted to be both light and durable, combining performance and simple mobility. The 20-inch by 56-inch running surface correctly handles your favorite style of exercise, whether walking, jogging, or running. Go the distance in comfort, as the deck's supported by 8 compression shock absorbers that provide safe, responsive cushioning for your knees, back, and joints. Its Easy Fold technology utilizes a hydraulic shock to assist in folding and unfolding the treadmill. Moreover, this treadmill comes with 21 easy-to-use exercise programs that are designed by exercise physiologists to expedite your progress. The 3-speed cooling fan, guided console navigation, built-in safety features, and patented step-counting abilities make this treadmill a force to be reckoned with. The Weslo Cadence G5.9. This gives better results in less time. It features 6 personal trainer workouts, a 2-position manual incline, and comfort cell cushioning. This treadmill is the perfect tool for losing weight or increasing performance. You can get accurate heart rate readings by directly placing your thumb on the Easy Pulse sensor that's built right in the console. The priority display tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned, so you can monitor the progress through the workout, reduce stress on your joints, and increase workout comfort with this unique treadmill deck. designed with a layer of cushioning for maximum stride impact absorption. Further, the digital quick speed control allows you to adjust your treadmill speed quickly. The ProForm Pro 2000. This offers a 3.25 CHP Mach-Z Commercial Pro motor that delivers the longest, most powerful drive possible. Its 8-inch display has large viewing angles, so no matter how tall or short you are, you can always keep track of your workout progress. It offers a total of 24 built-in workouts that includes 6 calorie burn workouts, 6 incline workouts, 6 intensity workouts, or 6 speed workouts, with FS2 full surface suspension cushioning. You can reduce the impact on your joints for more comfortable exercise and recovery. Its 3-inch precision machine and balanced non-flex rear roller reduces heat and wear and tear on the tread belt, increasing the life of the treadmill. This treadmill has a space-saver design with easy lift assist, which allows your treadmill to fold vertically for storage and includes a powerful shock that will help lift the deck with an easy push. The Gold's Gym Trainer 720. Conquer your fitness goals with this guy right here. It's got 18 different workout apps designed by a certified personal trainer. You can automatically adjust your speed and incline with a quick touch of a button. You can conveniently view all the workout stats from your multi-window LED display, which tracks your time, speed, distance, and calorie burn. It's got a large 20 by 55-inch tread belt that gives plenty of room for athletes of all sizes. It also delivers high performance and a low-impact workout with the AirStride cushioning built in the deck, which reduces both impact joints and recovery time. You can stay motivated by listening to your favorite playlist from your iPod or MP3 player through the music port built in the console. Additionally, remain calm and exercise longer thanks to the built-in cool air workout fan. The NordicTrack C 990. You can enjoy reduced motor noise and self-cooling technology with a sturdy 3.0 CHP motor that's perfect for running, jogging, and walking in the comfort of your home. Its innovative space-saver design with easy lift assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run for a compact, simple storage. Also, it's powered by iFit, and the 7-inch full-color touchscreen allows you to create custom Google Maps with training routes anywhere in the world. With a 3.0 continuous horsepower motor, it's capable of taking your workout up to a 12% incline to help you burn more calories. This 20 by 60-inch tread belt is padded with Flex Select cushioning, which adjusts to your preference. Further, its innovative design allows you to fold your machine for the ultimate floor space maximization, and the telescoping Easy Lift shock assists with heavy lifting. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to show support. And last, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Have a good day.